Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you like this makeup look, go ahead. Check out the video before this video, okay? It's just a simple makeup look that I did, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Come on back because you never know what I may have next for you guys. But today, on Mother's Day, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Yes, be blessed and be blessed and be blessed. Enjoy this day that the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. Thank the Lord that we've lived to see another Mother's Day. Yes. Okay, now let's get to this review. I have a wig here. And this is my first time really purchasing a wig that is about $100. Yes, so I hope this wig, I've looked at some reviews. Some of the reviews was okay, but I said I'll go ahead and try it out myself, okay? Now this is a Sensationnel wig, Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, multiple parting lace wig. It is a 100% premium fiber. And this wig is called, trying to see the name of it. She doesn't have a name, but this is what she looks like. It is a braided wig. And this is the parting here. You have the lace. And this is the parting. Natural parting. Okay, and let me see what it says about the maintenance. Okay, fill a basin with cool or lukewarm water. Add small amount of mild shampoo. Twist the wig gently in the basin, like swish. Rinse thoroughly in cool water. Using a towel, lightly blot excess water and let drip dry. Do not use curling irons or other heat appliances. And y'all, she does not have a name. Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig by Sensationnel. Okay, let's take her out. I got her in a number 1. Here's my invoice here. Tell y'all where I got her from. I got her from House of Beauty. This wig was $99.95. It is synthetic. And I have her in a 1. So I will list all information down below. Okay, let's remove her from the box. That is her. She can be worn up or down. Let's go ahead and remove the hairnet. This is the lace. And she does have baby hairs. This is her. The braids does feel synthetic. Okay. Does feel thick, synthetic, but natural. Yes, it does feel natural. This is the lace here, which I am going to cut. And these are the baby hairs. Hope y'all can see the baby hairs. Yes. And I'm going to show you the inside of the wig. Now, this is the lace. You got this much of parting. Okay. Lace. And you have combs here in the front. Then you have one comb in the back. One comb in the back. Then you have a band, okay? So it can fit tightly to your head. And you can adjust the straps to your liking, okay? It has the logo here, Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, right there. Okay. Look at the cap, the wig cap. I love the wig cap. Alrighty. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I will be right back. I didn't cut so much of the lace off because this is where the baby hairs lies. I cut as much as I could off near where the baby hairs are. Okay, let's get this wig review on the road. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take my wig off and go ahead and place this one on. Got the lace comb in my hair. You do have ear tabs on the side here, right there. And I am going to fix the band to my hair. All right. Okay. Now. Ooh. There's no pucker or anything. Which reviews that I have seen, I haven't seen any pucking. You know, it's not pucking up on my head. It's because I got my hair braided back. I wanted my hair braided back so that I can give you guys an honest review, okay? I am loving this wig. Yes, I am loving this wig even though it's synthetic, but the braids look so real because it's synthetic and looks natural. It looks natural, even though it's synthetic. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. Let me, you guys, I don't wear glue or anything to hold my lace down, so I'd rather have it like this. Let me go ahead and brush my baby hairs down. Let me see. These are the baby hairs. Go ahead and put a little gel on it. Pin to edge stay gel for natural hair. Got a little toothbrush, old toothbrush. I may just cut some of it because it's just too long. Not that much off. Okay, I hope putting that gel on my baby hairs is good enough, because you guys know that I'm not too good of laying baby hairs. Okay, now this is the look that I just may wear, you know, for today, you know, just to wear it down. But I'm gonna show you many looks that you can, you know, wear it. Okay, show you guys the parting. I am not going to put any concealer in between it, so it shows its natural color already. Okay, you can either wear it like this to the side, or this side. Or you can, you know, put a little bun up here. You know, you can put a little bun up here and wear like this. You know, whichever way you see fit how to wear. I'm going to be styling this wig, girl. Yes, I am. I'm going to be styling her. I am loving this wig already, you guys. And excuse the baby hairs, but when you get one, you can fix her the way you want to fix her, because I'm not good at laying baby hair. Okay? So you guys, look. Let's look at it, and it's pretty long too. It's pretty long. Okay. Yes. Yes. And if you want to, you make them wear her in a ponytail. And I'm glad I went on and I bought her, because you get positive reviews on this wig, and then you get, you know, negative reviews. So I took a chance and I went on and I purchased her, and I like her. Yes, I do. I like her. Okay. All right, you guys, I hope you like the wig. List down below if you like her or not, and I will put everything down below in case you do want the wig. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and please come back. Like I said earlier, come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you all so much, and have a wonderful Mother's Day, and enjoy this day, and be blessed. I love each and every one of you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Bye-bye.